overtaken by GeoRick. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel. It is just after 7:30 in the morning. It's freezing cold, it's 3 degrees, and as you can see we had to scrape ice off our windshield.
Also, we went to bed at midnight.
And got up at 5 AM because I worked. Today we are on a big road trip. We are with GeoRick. We are with the owners of the GC45 Plaque and geocoins.nz. And today we are going down to Rotorua to actually install the plaque. So we're going to film the whole process for you guys. Special behind the scenes footage. Don't yawn. We got a 2.5 hour drive. We're going to make our first stop in Tirau, which I believe is about an hour and a half south. And we will see you in Tirau.
Look at that lady! Oh, that's
wow! 0 degrees Celsius. We are managing to keep up with GeoRick. They're so fast!
I'd rather be geocaching.
Me too!
It's the lady on the GoPro. Ta 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 ta.
Alright guys, we made it to Tirau. We just stopped at the BP and now we are in front of the big dog and the big sheep, which is super famous in Tirau, and there is a geocache here and we're gonna go and find it.
It's huge. Turn around, lady. Come, lady. Come, lady. I love your shirt.
Thank you. It's from this really cool couple called the Curious Kiwis. Alright, we're coming up on the geocache. It's called Good Shepherd. So I'm guessing this has something to do with it.
I think it has something to do with Jesus.
There are way too many muggles here to grab it. So we know exactly where it is, and we do have to come through here on the way home, so we're going to grab it on the way home. We're being led to a cache.
Jeez.
Wow. Yeah, that would have taken us a while. Yeah. So this cache was on this tractor here.
Have you got a pen?
No pressure.
Always.
Always. Well.
Always.
Ta-da! We managed to put our name in there.
Yes.
Just.
So the lady is rolling it up because the men's hands are too cold.
We're all waiting on me to roll up this.
Yeah. And the whole group is waiting for us.
Okay, we got it.
Yeah?
We got it.
Awesome. Good job, woman. Yes.
Success! Ow!
That's nasty with cold hands.
Oh, that really burns. Okay, let's go.
Alright, come into the warm car.
Actually really nice for these kind of shots. I can see your whole thing in there, and like your steering wheel and everything.
I mean my face.
I can see your face.
We had a little pie stuff.
It was delicious.
Yeah, I already ate it. It was delicious. I had bacon and egg. What did you have, lady?
Mince and cheese.
So yeah, we're really close to GC45.
Yep, we're gonna head there now. I'd say it's maybe less than 20 minutes away.
Which way are they going?
Drive, drive, drive! Wow, okay. We're just gonna go around to the actual exit, guys. We're here! Woo woo! We made it! I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming! Come meeting! GC45. Samantha? I don't even know Samantha. Trying to decide where to put it.
This is where
Trying to find GC45. Come on, no pressure. No pressure. Oh, muggles.
yes, but my phone's not here at the moment. My phone's somewhere else because it's saying 60. Oh, no, it's counting down now. 60 something meters.
Come on, internet.
Come on, internet.
Does anyone actually have an actual GPS?
Nah, sorry. Look at us go, all these geocaches and not a single GPS amongst us.
Then in the middle of that, we're going to dig a deeper hole, fill that with concrete. Then this goes into the
Concrete holds it in.
No one will steal that.
It's like Christmas.
Here's the official first dig. Oh God. Yeah,
No pressure.
Can someone bring an axe?
Oh my gosh, that bird almost landed on him.
okay. This is really hard to dig. Seriously, this is so hard. Oh, there's some dirt.
Yay! Woo! Yeah, there we go.
There you talking.
Yes.
High under here.
Oh dear.
Yeah, stand back.
Hey! Go, lady!
Just don't crash it.
Don't make me laugh, I'm gonna stop.
Lady in the woods, lady in the woods. Are you gonna take a dump? You done dumping?
That was a good dump. Alright, they're gonna test it again before they put it in and pour the concrete.
A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. That's basically it there. Okay, lower it down. So I have to push it. Yeah. That's looking good. You happy with that, Chris? Nice and flat and level. Yep, that's good. Everyone stand on it, wiggle a bit. That's what we want. The plaque's nice and clean.
Taking a picture.
This will go on the cache page.
This is for you, Joshua. Mwah. Yes! Yes! Let's leave it alone.
There we are, no one would notice it.
Hey! So we just said to the group that we need to split because I have something planned for him that he doesn't know about
For my
yet.
birthday from like months ago.
That was the installation.
Yes.
Yes. There's a puzzle cache here. We're going to go and find it now. We haven't solved it yet, but it's going to be a group effort, and we're going to solve it after we find it.
Exactly.
Just being honest.
Yep.
He's trying to write our name down.
TCK in the little box with
Yep.
the little
That's the
triangle
one.
for YouTube. Yeah.
Perfect. Blow some smoke. We have made it to Keral Park. We've made it here. There's an earth cache here, and we're going to complete that one and go and look at all the nice hot pools.
Kuirau
Park.
Park.
Kuirau Park, that's the one.
It smells here like New Year's Eve fireworks.
And also a little bit like boiled eggs, hard boiled eggs.
Yeah, combination of that. It's
Yeah.
not too bad.
That is so cool.
That's cool, eh? I want to swim in that now.
I do too. It looks so nice and warm. Can you see the geothermalness coming out of the gutter?
You can hear it.
Oh yeah.
It's boiling. Warming the hands at 8 degrees.
Only in New Zealand. Okay, so the first requirement of this geocache is to get the first, 7th and last words on this sign here, but that's not really possible.
I mean, the first, yes. 2, 3, 4, wah wah.
Wah wah. The birdies are bathing in the warm water. Look at the one with the red face. Look at him.
That's like me at 6 a.m. Then it carries another. That's cool.
I have a surprise for the man and he doesn't know it.
No!
Because during lockdown it was his birthday, so we couldn't do anything for his birthday. So I'm going to surprise him with this next activity.
Oh!
Let's go.
Go lady!
I'm excited.
Go lady!
So the man just discovered where we're going. Tree walk, tree walk, tree walk, tree walk. That's what we're gonna do.
Lady!
Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
There goes my lady, there goes my lady. Yoo-hoo! Almost at the end, lady.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, but tonight's gonna be more fun though.
We're gonna come back tonight in the dark and it's gonna be all like lights.
It's gonna be a lit AF.
It's gonna be lit AF.
Come here, me lady. Alright, this is the last bridge.
I'm gonna walk it in style. Are you ready?
Yeah, go lady. Ah, dumbass. Ooh, satisfying.
Yeah, I love the automatic ones. We are at the government garden. There are a couple of caches here that we're gonna go and find. So yeah, it's about, what, 4 o'clock in the afternoon now, so we've got a few more hours. We're gonna go back to the Redwoods tree walk and do that at night, and then we're gonna make our way home. There's a hot pool here and it's actually named after moi. It's my spring. They even spelt my name right.
So, dear cache owner, cache owners, with all your virtuals, make it worthwhile. This is a nice location. Get a photo with the government building on the background.
Oh, got it. I got it. They said go to the building and find OP.
And where's the OP?
On the bottom. Look.
Ah.
Alright, let's write it down.
I don't like virtuals.
We're gonna do it anyway. Let's write the answer down.
We're gonna do it, lady.
We're now on to it. We've finally got our flow with this virtual.
Lady. Thanks for this, lady.
Yeah, it's your birthday.
Yeah.
We're back in Tirau. We've come back to get that cache. Let's go get it. It's just over there. I know where it is because I saw it last time. Can I give you a hint? Up. Alright, handsome, go put it back. We made it home. It is.
And it was an awesome day.
Indeed, it's 10:20 in the evening. We just made it home for dinner.
Long story short, nice day. The day hasn't ended yet. We hope you enjoyed it.
We did.
If you liked, then click that like button right there. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then click the
By the way,
subscribe
people
button
who can talk normally when he wants to.
Yeah, people asked me the other day, like, is she always talking like that? No. So if you want to subscribe, then click the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when we upload, hit the notification bell. Do you like our shirts, people?
Yes, our merch finally came in. 2 months I think it took to get here. Make sure to go to our website. I'll link it down below.
Bye.
Bye.